Functions and string in Python. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about functions, string. Functions. A function is like a mini program that we can define once and use many times. It helps us organize our code into reusable blocks. Advantages of functions. The following are the advantages of functions. 1. Reusability. We can write a piece of code once and call it whenever we need it, instead of writing the same code over and over. 2. Organization. Functions make our code cleaner and easier to understand. Each function can do a specific task. 3. Easier debugging. If something goes wrong, we can fix the problem in one place, the function, instead of searching through the entire code. Syntax of a function. The syntax of defining a function is given below. Keyword def. We start with the word def, which tells Python that we are defining a function. Function name. Choose a name for our function that describes what it does, like add underscore numbers. Parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we can include inputs called parameters that our function can use. Colon. End the line with a colon to indicate that the following indented lines belong to the function. Function body. This is the block of code that runs when we call the function. Example of a function. Let us create a function that adds two numbers and returns their sum each time the function is called. Example. Output. Program 1. Write a function to find the area of a rectangle. Example. Output. String. A sequence of characters which is enclosed or surrounded by single, double, or triple quotes is known as a string. The sequence may include a letter, number, special characters, or a backslash. Program 2. Write a program to print a string. Example. Output. Program 3. Write a program to print a string by calling a function. Example. Output. Creating a single-line string. Single-line string can be created by enclosing characters inside single or double quotes. It is like assigning a value to a variable. Program 4. Write a program to create a single-line string. Example. Output. Creating multi-line string. A multi-line string in Python begins and ends with either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. Any quotes, tabs, or new lines in between the triple quotes are considered part of the string. Program 5. Write a program to create a multi-line string. Example. Output. Using escape sequences with strings. Escape sequences are used to represent special characters that cannot be inserted directly into a string. An escape sequence consists of characters that perform a specific action instead of representing themselves when used inside a string. Common examples include new line and tab movements. In Python, the backslash is used as the escape character to introduce these sequences. Program 6. Write a program to display a school timetable using escape sequences. Example. Output. Traversing a string. Traversing means visiting each element and processing it as required by the program. We can access the characters of a string one at a time using indexing. There are two ways of indexing. Positive indexing. Indexing starts from 0 on the left side of a string. Negative indexing. Indexing starts from -1 on the right side. Syntax for traversing a string. Name of the string. Index. Program 7. Write a program to print different elements of a string. Example. Output. String built-in functions. Python includes the following built-in functions to manipulate strings. Len. The len function calculates and returns the length of a string, supplied as an argument. Syntax of using len function is len, the string underscore name, lower. The lower function converts all uppercase letters to lowercase. Syntax of using lower function is the string underscore name dot lower. Upper. The upper function converts all lowercase letters to uppercase. Syntax of using upper function is the string underscore name dot upper. Capitalize. The capitalize function returns a string with the first character in capital. Syntax of using capitalize function is the string underscore name dot capitalize. Program 8. Write a program to use various string built-in functions. Example, output.